The purpose of this interview is to tell the world that I wish to concede this defeat and congratulate the winner of the gubernatorial seat in Turkana, Honorable Jaramel Murkai, for the victory.
Sasa wewe ndio kiongozi wa Turkana County, unganisha Waturkana wote, uweka pamoja. Serikali ya county sio ya chama. Serikali ya county ni serikali ya Waturkana wote. Hakikisha ya kwamba Waturkana wote wako katika serikali yako. Sio chama, chama imeisha baada ya kura.
I promise to deliver. I promise the people of Turkana County serious service. The issues of corruption, I think, will be reduced to very minimal indicators. We will ensure that every person that lives in Turkana County counts Turkana County as a county for the people of Turkana County. The people living in Turkana County will benefit from the resources that the exchequer or the national government has given us or gives us every single financial year. We will ensure that that money is put into very serious work